Hey guys, right off the bat, Kling AI, one of the best AI video generators out there that gives you amazing video clips with realistic movements based on your prompt. But if you are using its free plan, you're gonna be waiting hours to get your single video. It's like sloth and it's a lazy day. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you two amazing recent AI websites that enables you to convert your image to video in no time and it gives you free plan. So now, let me show you. And the first website out of this video that is Digen AI, one of the best websites out there to create images and convert images to video just for free. So here, when you sign up in this amazing website, you can head over to this button create and you'll be taken to this interface where you can generate images from your prompt. You can convert image to video, you can make lip syncing video just in few seconds. And the best part here in Digen AI, it gives you a free plan with credits that they call memes, as you see. And what's amazing about that, it gives you extra memes for every single login. Here, daily login rewards and so on. And for its functions here, if you generate one video, it would cost 30 memes. And as for lip syncing video, 30 memes as well. Generate one image, 5 memes, generate one audio, 10 memes, and so on. So for every single login, you would find extra memes or credits, in other words, in your balance. Anyway, how you can convert your image to video using this amazing website. Simply here you can drag here, drop your image from your device, or basically you can generate a unique one from your prompt. So for example, if you use this random prompter as you see here, or you can get one from your idea. So I just use this one for example, like this one. I just insert Ctrl V, okay. And now click over this button. That would cost 5 credits or memes to generate a new image. As you see here, amazing image from this website. So it's now to convert this image to another video. So here, just remember, you can actually upload here your voiceover to make a lip syncing video, or you can upload your voiceover from your device. So if you want to just convert this image to a video, here you can go to this video prompt to insert your movement, your prompt to animate this image. So for example, I just want these friends are stealing this coffee and drinking it happily. So I just insert this one. Okay, and for sure, it's better for you to insert here a full and detailed prompt to get what you want. So here, simply you can click over this button, generate your video that would cost 30 memes. So click over this button and just you're gonna be waiting for 3 minutes as you see. As you see here, amazing video from this amazing website. And for sure, just use it earlier to get many video clips like this one, for example, as you see. A knight jumping and just move his sword right to left, as you see, like this one. Or this video, this Chinese chef kneading this dough. Amazing movement in this video. And the best part here in Digen AI, it gives you a video clip up to 10 seconds. Not just the AI video generator, it gives you 5 seconds video and so on. So the first website you can try completely for free and waste your time, that is Digen AI. And the second website quickly, that is you can go to this website that says Flora.ai. You can create a stunning video clip just in few seconds. So here you can sign up for free and just click for this button, create a new project. Here you will be converted to this page. Then click over this plus icon, text or image or video. So I click over the third option, video. And here you can find 3 different ones. Either you can upload your video or combine images to a video or turn an image into a video clip. So you can go to the third one. Okay, And here you can find a new card that gives you this image. So for example, here it's a random one. Here you can actually upload your image from your device, or you can generate your new one from this website. So here I just remove this image, okay, and here you can find in this card different plus icon. So click over that. That responds to this text or image or video. So I will select this image to convert image to video. Okay, you can find option of upload an image. Click over this button like this one, colorful owl, as you see. And for sure you can full screen of it, or you can variations of this image and so on. And as for convert this image to video, here you can find the best part. Click over this card and you can find this amazing option up there. You can pick one of these beautiful AI models, like starting with Minimax, Kling Pro, Luma Labs, Pika Runway, and so on. So here you can find a bunch of these AI model. You can use them without costing you a dime. So for sure, just select one of these beautiful AI models, as speaking about Kling Pro here. And here you can answer this prompt. So I just animate this owl to fly. Animate this owl to fly, for example, and for sure it's better for you to insert a more detailed prompt. Then click over this button to convert this image to a beautiful video. And just in few minutes, your video would be ready like this one. Perfect video from this amazing website. Depends on this Digen AI Pro. Perfect. So you can download it for free. You can make further editing from these up there options. And for sure, I just tried this website earlier to create a new video clip like this one. Someone plays a chess, as you see. Perfect and amazing video clip. And for sure, you can find many of these AI video generators out there you can depend on to convert your image to video for free. And like this one, for example, Tensor Art, one of the most beautiful websites out there to generate your images, videos, to make filters and so on. So here you can sign up for free and it gives you a generous free plan. Thus head over to this button, create. After that you can head over to this image to video option and upload your own image. When it's time to insert here this prompt, like the same one, like animate fly, for example. Then click over this button to generate your video from this image. And for sure, I just talked about this amazing website previously in details. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. I gathered for you all websites that you can use for free to convert image to video. You can find all these links down below in the description box in the first comment in one link. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave us in the comment section. See you in the next video.